I'm going to show you a point that's really good for long COVID, fibromyalgia, any of those kind of viruses that are hanging around in your body and are stopping you feeling kind of like you can't breathe. So what I want you to do is find your collarbone and take your collarbone out to the end, and you'll feel kind of like a little space if you move your rotator cuff where the collarbone ends and there's the rotator cuff begins. So I want you to come down about 3 fingers from there, and it's actually between the first and the second rib. And I want you to just massage, press and tap. Now, it can be quite sore and quite painful. So just hold it until it starts to release and it starts to give. And remember, you've got 2 collarbones, so let's find it on the other side. Out we go, where the collarbone meets the rotator cuff, and 3 fingers from down from there between the first and the second rib is lung 1 on the other side. Now this helps to calm asthma. It helps to open the chest. So if you've got chest pain, pain with breathing, you feel like you're not getting a proper breath, try these points. And remember, in Chinese medicine, each of your organs is linked to an emotion, and the emotion that's linked to the lungs is grief. Remember, when we're crying, our lungs are really affected. So what I want you to do is really feel into your diaphragm here as you're pressing the points. See if you can really feel your diaphragm relaxing and the points here and your chest opening. Now for the next month, I'm going to be covering lots and lots on long COVID. So why not sign up for the free class at the end of the month? And I'm going to show you some great Qigong, some acupressure and some foods for long COVID and fibromyalgia.